Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on About Tablet, which should be at the top of this list. And now let's scroll down in order to find the build number. It is actually crucial in order to open the developer options because it can activate them. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because remember that the developer mode is advanced option. So let's tap on OK, and as you can see right now we are a developer. And be aware that if you've got the screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back to the system settings where we could find the About Tablet and scroll down to find the developer options. It should appear right in between the backup and the reset option. So let's tap on it. And here we've got some options, some advanced options which we can customize. As you can see, we've got actually quite a lot of options to choose from to personalize. So for example, we can change the display cutout, we can show layout bounds, we can change some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking here, because as you can see we've got the USB configuration, we've got some options for the Wi-Fi and so on. So as I said, quite a lot of options. And if you'd like to turn on the option, basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you are done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher at the very top, which is still here. And after that you can see that most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options simply disappeared. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.